Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today in this video we are visiting at Orchid Piccadilly project, which is located on Thanisandra Main Road, Bangalore. So here you can see the connecting road in front of the project, and here is the main entrance gate. This project is spread over 4.70 acres of land. It offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It consists of 9 number of towers with 15 floors each. It's an under construction project. So we are giving you the view of project site. So this is the land on which the project is going to be constructed, and the construction work is going on in full swing. So here you can take the view of the project site. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, that is Regrob.com, and for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.